Hello, Chef here. Kind of wondering if you know what these are, and drop a comment if you do. You can get them from the sponsor. Subscribe right there, check out the sponsor, and you'll score some of these. Hello, Chef here. So another video of talking to you today about food, growing some of your own food, and that's what we got going on here. These are seeds, squash seeds. More specifically, giant butternut squash seeds. This squash is so big it doesn't even fit on the camera. Let me lift it up here a little more. That's about as high as I can go, so zoom out a little bit. There we go. So this is a 3-pound giant butternut squash. Love it. Good stuff. You can grow this, and in the videos I'm going to show you where to get the seeds, and why we grow our own squash. So we know a bunch of farmers, we've got access to a bunch of land, and we can grow all kinds of squash, tomatoes and other things too, but you should be growing your own food, and it starts right there. Make sure to search butternut squash on this channel. Quite a few different recipes, soups, and other things. Wow, it's going to be good. Okay, I'm in one of our outbuildings now, and you can see we've got a whole bunch of these squash started. These are just recycled yogurt containers. They work pretty well. You have to put a few holes in the bottom, of course, and then once you got your holes in there, you just go with a mixture. Let's see, yeah, this is butternut squash right here. There's 2 seeds in this little container, and they're looking really good, really strong, about 3 inches tall right now. They'll be going outside and into the pots or the raised beds in a couple of weeks when the weather breaks. But I want to tell you what's in here. So we got a mixture of wood chips, compost, and black dirt. It's a good idea to use perlite or vermiculite or some other medium like that too. I believe there is some perlite in this particular blend. So it's interesting. These are all planted at the same time, but some of these are really tall. This one here is already about 8 inches tall. Again, it's a oh, this is a spaghetti squash. Okay, so we got a few different varieties over here. Spaghetti squash, butternut squash. Ah, the spaghetti squash are jumping quicker. There's 2 in here. These ones are about 7 inches tall, looking really good. So this is just an example of why you should grow your own food, how to do it. I'll show you a few more. Over here, we've got more spaghetti squash. This one in a larger container seems to be doing a little bit better, a little wider leaf. We've got some heirloom tomatoes mixed in there too. Very small but very strong crop. I believe there's 3 right there. Sometimes we break them up. Depends just what's going on. This thing's huge here. What's this? Oh. This is one of these cool Indian squash. Indian squash are maybe more decorative than they are edible. But anyway, they're really cool and they're fun too. Indian squash. You can see the seeds falling off after they open up right there. So you can do these. You just need a nice warm space, garage, basement, shed, a couple of lights. Like I said, we're in one of our outbuildings here. And these are all heirloom tomatoes. There's different kinds, a couple different varieties. It is a good idea to use recycled, like these recycled cups. Don't go buy the little stupid black plastic ones that crunch in your fingers and fall apart. These can be used year after year. So anyway, check out the sponsor. I believe they've got 10 seeds for $1. You can't beat it. And they all sprout, they all grow, so it's good quality. You want to buy a quality seed, whether you get them from the sponsor or someone else. But anyway, grow your own food, save money. It's organic. You know what you're eating. You know where it comes from. If you don't have room in your yard, look for empty lots or make a deal with someone to use some of their land. Split the garden with them, you know. So, yeah, here we go. Get growing. Get cooking. Have a great day. We have here, oh, butternut squash. And this one here is organic. How do I know? I know the farmer. It pays to know your farmers. I'm going to turn this butternut squash into butternut squash soup. Garlic, 2 cloves, 1/2 medium onion. Just leave a little bit off the neck here for fermentation, and also because every now and then you're going to give a little shake. You're going to tip it back and forth. You want those air bubbles to move around the seed specks, which you can already see are coming out of that vanilla bean. Wow, beautiful. Like I said, visit the sponsor, score the best beans you can get. They import them directly. Japanese knives, of course, are there as well, and yeah, the butcher block. Yeah, I use a clean white towel, wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. So check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax.